Hello again, traders. This is the Seattle Shark for TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures, the Euro, and oil futures. This is a brief recap of a pre-market trade I took in the live trading room on Friday, October 7th, 2016. This was a trade setup that I took after the release of the employment situation report, which I have marked here on the chart with the X, released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. And as you can see, the initial reaction to that report was a burst to the upside. We went from a low of 52 of that candle up to a high of 61 and a quarter, almost a 10-point move after the release. Then we had a nice retracement, and I was actually considering in the room, I told the members that were in the room at the time that I was considering a long here, but I looked over at my dome and the price action was extremely volatile. It was jumping 3 and 4 ticks at a time, and so I decided to pass on the trade. The other thing that I considered about that, on the second candle of this turn, my tick volume had turned negative, and so that was another factor that kept me from taking that trade. And as you can see on the chart, price action actually broke the low of the initial candle here. Then it started to rally. We got a nice moving average cross here back to the upside. My favorite trade setup, moving average cross, first retracement into what we call the attack zone, the moving averages, and a continuation in that direction. And here we had it. Beautiful moving average cross, retracement into the attack zone, turn back up. I got involved long at 21.56. And I covered the trade just not too long after the entry. The entry was at 8.58. I covered the trade at 21.57 and 3/4. That was at 6:02, so about a 4-minute trade, and a nice 1 3/4 point gain. To learn about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, visit TraderShark.com. Remember, trade what you see, not what you believe.